How to fix Instagram DM not working. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram DMs, then first of all you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have your internet connection, then you might find a problem of the messages that are not sending. So you have to check that first, and then you can simply open up your settings, your phone settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and now tap on see all apps, and here if you scroll down you will find Instagram. Tap on that and then go for storage and cache, and here you will have two options, clear storage or clear cache. So don't tap on clear storage because it will erase all of the data that is on Instagram, which is your login information. So you have to simply tap on clear cache, which is on the right side, and you have to clear all of that cache. And another fix is you have to open up your Play Store, and then you can go for search bar and search for Instagram. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, you can simply tap on update, and then you have to update your Instagram. But if this still doesn't work, then you have to open up your Instagram application. And after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then go for the upper right corner, which has the three bar icon, and now go for settings and privacy, and here you can scroll down and tap on help, and under help go for the first option, which is report a problem, and here tap on report a problem, and it will take you to this page. So now you have to write that I'm not being able to message someone on Instagram, and you can also upload some screenshots. And after writing the feedback, you can simply tap on send, which is on the upper right corner, and that's it. After that, Instagram will take action. Instagram will send you some steps, and Instagram will guide you with some steps on your Gmail, and after that you can fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.